All right, I'm gonna be using this in just a second, but we've got the Salembeck cordless hair clippers, and you open up the box, you got the main device right here. I'll take this out. So here is the main device. It's got this little, comes with this little, the cover on the thing, on the top. And I'll just turn it on really quick. So it's not that loud, and it's got this nice little digital display right here. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera in the video, but it lets you know how much power is left. And so there's the main device, and it's definitely a quality device. So we've got this, and then we've got the 3 different, what do you call them? The guards, or the, I don't know if they're called guards, but anyways, 3 different sizes. I'm gonna be using one of these. I'm not gonna be cutting my hair, but I'm gonna be cutting my, shaving my beard. So there's that. You got the USB cable to charge it, and you've also got the cleaning brush and the oil to keep it clean. So let's do, you've also got the instruction manual. So let's do this. Let's do this. I mean, honestly, it's actually better than I was expecting. So, I can get it, obviously. I'm going to be doing my whole face, but as you can see, it gets the job done. And that was actually quicker than I was expecting and easier. Quality device. Highly recommend it.